as a output red color LED and pin number 7 as a output yellow color LED. What is the Arduino Uno board work as a brain of this project and battery for the power supply. Welcome back to my YouTube channel IoT vs EduTech. Today I am building a model traffic light signal with the help of the Arduino Uno board and three colors of the LED red, yellow and green. So please subscribe the channel and like also. Let's start building this project. So in this project we use a three color of the LED red, yellow and green color LED and six of the jumper wire. And this board is the Arduino Uno board work as a brain of this project and battery for the power supply. So let's start the connection of this project. We connect the all jumper wires on the LED. Red color LED is a positive wire and negative, yellow positive negative and green positive negative. So this is the positive negative jumper wires already connected, and the yellow color LED and green color LED. This wire will be connect on this board is the Arduino Uno board. So now we are going to connect the jumper wires. So red color LED connected pin number 13 and yellow color LED connected pin number 7 and green color LED connected pin number 2. So let's start upload the code on this board and just after the final result. Okay, so this code for the traffic light system, according the connection, we connect the pin number 13 as a output red color LED and pin number 7 as a output yellow color LED and pin number 2 as a output green color LED, and declare the with the help of the pin mode syntax and applied the while loop for the continuous process. We use the digital light syntax for the pin number 13 high means red color LED will on LED on for 2 seconds. Use the delay for the 2 seconds. Just after red color LED will be off means register right pin number 13 is low, red color LED will be off. Just after red yellow color LED will be on, pin number 7 on, pin number 7 low means yellow color LED on, yellow off, green on or green off. So let's see the working of this project.